Today I would like to show you that anyone could recycle hydraulic oil that has been contaminated with water. The process involves heating it up to over 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. A precautionary note first. Do this at your own risk. Work outdoors away from any building that may catch fire. Have a fire hose extinguisher handy and use a ground fault outlet for protection. Notice the drained hydraulic oil is milky due to the water infiltration. That's about 15 gallons. My initial try was to use a slow cooker, which did not seem to come up to high enough temperature. I then tried using an electrical hot water heater heating element along with its thermostat. At its highest setting, that did not seem to get high enough temperature. It would boil and cycle on and off, which seemed to take forever. So then I tried again in a smaller steel container without the thermostat, and this time it boiled constantly, allowing it to boil away the water. As I watched it boil, it would eventually slow down, indicating the majority of the water content had boiled away into steam. Oil, being a fluid of much higher temperature, remains calm until its higher temperature is reached. Normally, when I saw the temperature reach 220 to 230 degrees and be somewhat still, I would disconnect or pull the plug and allow it all to cool down. The fluid will appear a bit darker once cooled, which is no doubt caused by the wear of the cylinder seals and pressure rings. It helps to pour it through a strainer while it's still a bit warm to speed up things a bit. Point your hydraulic cylinders downward whenever possible, or cover them their wiper seals from rain and morning dew. Thank you for watching. Here are samples of the hydraulic oil before and after. Some of you might claim that the heating might destroy some of the additives in the oil, but I doubt that, since hydraulic oil does run at a very high temperature sometimes, and I doubt very much. Thank you.